Alright guys, doing a little unboxing video today. This is going to be the latest drop from Hoka. These are slated to drop this Friday, so be on the lookout. We will drop it around 10 a.m. But new from Hoka, we have the Tour Summit in the Astral color, and then we have the Aura Primo as well. Something a little bit different from these. I'm gonna start off with the Tour Summit. You guys have seen this model from us before. Something a little bit different is this hairy suede on top. The best way to describe the suede is think about the Snuffleupagus and how his hair was a little bit hairy, but not too long, just a little right. Whoever his barber is, they did him right, So the Astral colorway is more of a full slate. Imagine kind of like Flintstones purple. So it's really gray and almost a lavender color to it. And you'll see that kind of throughout the shoe, but again, different textures. You'll see different tones of it. Starts off with this gray lace. This Tour Summit, just like the other previous models, comes with the Vibram Mega Grip, so really good traction, whether you go in urban, cityscape, or on the trails. It's a really good pair to just wear as a daily driver. Especially here in Boulder, you can go from trail to Pearl Street, vice versa. This is gonna be a good pair for the weather. There's a little leather rubber trim around the outside, keeping the feet dry, and then that classic Hoka cushion is actually really comfortable and very lightweight. But yeah, really excited for this colorway. Something a little different, but I do like that they still went with that monotone color to it. A little bit easier to style this color with your current silhouettes. So two tones I think are, they pop, but something about having like a monochromatic look just makes it easier to style. And so this is the Tour Summit. Next one we want to show, this is the Aura Primo. This is the kind of matching set to go with it, whether you want a lace-up shoe or a quick slide-on mule. A little bit different from the previous models. This one does not have the braided laces. Again, a little premium suede leather on top. This is the texturized trim, and then a more like smooth matted suede leather up here. Really nice fleece lining. So definitely imagine this as that recovery shoe post skiing, post hiking, going from heavy boots, heavy and tight boots. You wanna slip into something cozy and warm. These are the ones. Slight heel counter, so it won't slip as much. You'll still wanna lock your feet in. I wear 8 in these. I size up from my 7.5 typical size, just because I would typically wear thicker socks with this. The difference between the Aura Primo compared to the Tour Summit, there is no Vibram sole, but still really decent traction. So definitely don't go hiking in these. But this is like a recovery mule or a quick, easy slip on, go get some coffee. You don't wanna tie up your shoes. This is the choice. And again, that Astral color, purple slate, different shades of it, but overall, pretty monochromatic shoe. But yeah, I'm really excited to see kind of how our community styles this color with what we have. All right, well, can't wait to try these on, have it on body. Luckily, I'm wearing all black today, so that's gonna be an easy way to style it, but excited to see it on feet, on body, on feet, on foot.